Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, you need to press on it or click Enter. After that, you need to click Add Device at the right top. And if you have Windows 10, you will see a button Add Device at the top. Press on it, and in this window you need to select Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and if it's your first connection, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. Also, after a factory reset, these earbuds also enter to pairing mode automatically. But we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side start blinking white, like what I have right now. And then you will see these headphones at the device list. Press on it and then click Done at the right bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!